Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Carburetor, the different car vlog that gives you helpful service information and tips about how to repair and maintain your car so that it is in perfect shape. Today we will discuss how this small €6 part can damage your engine. So let's roll that intro. Okay, we have one car in the workshop for repair that can help you avoid big, expensive and unnecessary engine overhaul. This is PASSAT MK6 with a 2-liter diesel engine and 140 horsepower. This model is often criticized and named as super bad and unreliable, but I will tell you that more of the problems usually come from this small part. It is a hexagonal metal drive for the oil pump. After 150,000 kilometers, this part should be replaced to be sure that your engine will receive enough oil pressure. After that or bigger mileage, this drive becomes oval, and at some point your oil pump cannot maintain sufficient oil flow and pressure. This can damage your turbo, crankshaft bearings and basically the whole engine. If you have this type of engine and you love your car and your wallet, join us to show you how this part can be changed. We start with the safety first, gloves, goggles and so on. Then we lift the car up and we start with the operation. First we remove the engine under cover and we drain the oil. Then we have to remove another cover, the one of the lower part of the engine. Then we start by unscrewing the bolts for the oil sump. There are 3 bolts on the gearbox that must be removed as well. Next, all small bolts of the oil pan, including the 4 hidden bolts that luckily have special holes that can be accessed with. Next step is to remove the oil sump by gently smash it with the hammer. And one of the last steps is to remove this small E-clip that hold the drive for the oil pump in place. Then, with the magnetic tool, we pull the oil pump drive pin out, and this is our removal operation. Put inside new drive pin and new E-clip and voila! Finally is the super annoying manipulation to remove the old silicone from the oil sump and the engine block. After you finish this, then you have to use a proper silicone designed especially for oil sumps and gearboxes. And fitting is exactly the reverse operation, so you can continue alone on this path. Okay friends, that's all for today's short episode of Carburetor. I hope you learned something and that you had some nice relaxing time with our content. If you want to support our team, you can donate small amount through our Patreon page, which is in the description down below. From me, Nico, be well, and I'll see you in the next episode.